You see, blue and purple, just a little bit lime. It's not change the flavor.
Come on and cool with me at Asian Scenic.
Hi, I'm Gary, cooking ambassador from Scenic Thai Cooking School, Thailand. This clip I would like to show you how to make some tea. This our tea is not from green tea or black tea, but from the flower, this way. Have you ever seen this flower? We call the butterfly pea. Have you ever seen it before? But I think maybe you can find only the dry one or something like that. But in Thailand we have a lot, and it's a kind of bean. That's why we call butterfly pea. It's a kind of pea. This is a seed. I'm not sure. This is a seed one. You see? I'm not sure. Can you grow that one in your country or not? But in Thailand, it's everywhere in Thailand. Butterfly pea is a blue color, and we can eat fresh. I eat almost every day because I eat like a vegetable. Actually, this has no flavor. No flavor, but it's very high beta carotene. Look at my tongue. Is this a brew one? Yes. We want to make the brew tea by butterfly pea. Okay, I will pick some. So for the students who cook in my cooking school, they can take some seeds back to their country, but I'm not sure you can grow it or not. Okay, I will take this one. We can take about like 10 flowers like this, and then we do the tea together. Okay, just like this. Okay, this is a butterfly pea flower. Okay, I will show you how to make the butterfly pea tea. Okay, so just water. Okay, so just boil it. Turn on the gas. Leave just like this and put all the flour. Easy, but I put just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I put just only 10 flour. I think you have the dry one. If you can find the dry one in your supermarket, maybe you can add more because the dry one is lose some flavor. Okay, and keep boiling until this look blue color. Okay, you can see a little bit closer here. Now you see we have the blue color, just like this. Then turn off the gas and leave it about, I don't know, half an hour to make it cool down. And then we do other process. Now we got the blue tea. You see, it's pretty blue and with the flower. After you boil it about 10 minutes, and then how to serve it. Ice. For Thai people, we always drink all the beverage with ice because the weather is pretty hot. And thenเห็นไหม Yep. Like a brew sapphire beverage. I will show you the magic. Little bit ice. Okay, like this. Now we got a blue color, and if you want to make more color like purple, we just squeeze the lime like this. You see? just a little bit lamb. It's getting blue. It's getting purple. Yeah, a little bit closer to see. เข้ามาอีกนิดนึงค่ะ You see, blue and purple. Just a little bit lamb. It's not change the flavor. Cheers. Our butterfly pea tea.